Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. This is a real quick Dastaar tutorial. So this Dastaar is only this wide that I tie on a jeet. That's about 7 inches, 8 inches, and it's long. I don't know the exact length, but really it's the longer the better. So you'll know with how many lars come out. So the way I do it, there's a lot of different styles, but I start off by covering the top, over the ears on the first lar. On the back, at the very beginning, you have the full thing. You want to create a lar so it's half. That's the first thing that has to be done. So when you create that by just giving a simple fold on the back, now you have a half lar. So again, over there. Mama's in the room. So now that you have the half lar, the first lar is going to come up above, right next to the jura, and over the ear. This lar should be kept very loose over the ear. So that way the child will be able to keep the Dastaar on all day. The next lar is going to come up from right over here, over the ear, to form a little triangle to the top. Now, as you can see here, these are very loose lars. I didn't tighten them at all. Okay, the tighten lar is going to come in now. In the room. So now the next lar is going to come in tighter, right in the front. Now this lar is what holds it together, and you try to make it above the ears, because really the only thing that bothers the kids is really the ears. So he wants a little bit of a, he calls it a hole right in front. Jao fine karo. So now subsequent letters should come up right above the ear and should just go higher and higher. And they should just sit on top of each other. And now these letters won't make any difference to the child because they're going above the ear. So it won't cause any kind of discomfort in any way. Hey, somebody say, Jana, cars. Ajo. So now, as many lars as you have here, they're just going to go higher and higher. Fine करिए मनु? Yeah. Okay. मतलब विजय दस्तार पाके फिर अपन सजा के फिर अपन फाइन कर दिया? Boom boom ticka doom doom. No thing down. Like this, Papa? And then the last lar comes up to the top. It's better if it ends in the back, but not all these Dastaar lengths are perfect, so you can kind of just improv and just tuck in wherever you end. But it's really optimal to end right in the back. And so, as you can see on the ears, it's super loose, right? But this part is tight so that it'll stay on all day. Good this side? Okay. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.